Hello friends, my name is Akhil and you are here to develop Android apps. So today in this video, we are going to download and install full Android Studio, and we will also install JDK and Java extra, and we will set up our Android Studio completely. So to get started, first of all, we need to download our Android Studio.exe file in case of Windows. So I am using the Chrome browser to download Android Studio. Go to Android Studio. Just search on Google search bar and click on Download Android Studio and SDK Tools. Click on it. Now you can see the download options over here, and here is Download Android Studio, and under of that you can see the version, and for Windows 64-bit and the size. The size is 914 MB, and you can download Android Studio from here, but I have already downloaded Android Studio, so I am not doing this now. So you can download it from here. So after downloading the Android Studio, you have to download and install Java JDK, and go to oracle.com website and click on Java download. And you can find different versions of Java. Choose Windows from here in my case, and you have to download 64-bit installer, that is about 152 MB. You can click on this link to download JDK. I have already downloaded it, so I am not doing it now. Let me minimize. Open the Android Studio.exe file. From here, go to your downloads and open it. In my case, the Android Studio.exe file is in my folder. I am going to choose it and softwares, and you can see here the Android Studio .exe file, and it is about 914 MB. Just double click on it to start our installation wizard, and click on S over here, and you can choose your folder inside the C drive. Leave it as default, and I have already installed Android Studio in my system. That's why this option is enabled in my. You have to just keep everything as default and click next, and you just have to install it as we install other applications. So I'm going to close because I am already installed. You have to complete the whole installation process, and after that you have to click on Windows, search for CMD, type Java and click on enter. Now in my case, I am already installed Java, but in your case you may see Java is not recognized as an external or internal command. So if you are seeing an error code like Java is not recognized, you have to follow me. So to solve that, you have to install the Java which you have downloaded. Go to your download folder and just click on the installation file and just to install as normal. So after installing Java, just open your file explorer, go to C drive and go to program files, go to Java folder over here, go to JDK, open bin, and just copy this path file from here. Just minimize that, click on Windows, then you have to set it as an environmental variable, and just click on environment variable. Under the system variables, in the path, edit, new, paste it. I am already pasted this same path before, so I am not doing it now. You have to paste that path over here and click on OK, OK, and OK. So now you just try using your CMD and type Java again, and now in the case you must see this whole thing about your Java versions and things. So now you are ready to go. Just try opening Android Studio, and it will ask you to download SDKs and everything. It will download automatically within your Android Studio, and you need about 1.5 GB of internet data to complete your installation of Android Studio at the very basic level itself. So we will create our first project in Android Studio in the next video. Till then, goodbye.